sitting there, probably thinking where your life has gone. And you realize that maybe you want it back, but sometimes it's too late.
Let's start the story off about a girl that's lost. Kim couldn't find her way, wonder why'd you make her Lord. At an early age, her father passed away, and she was left with a mother who was so full of rage. She beat her every day, only say words of hate, like I can't stand you, and you was my biggest mistake. I just can't wait to die, that's what she told herself. She felt no one ever loved her, they won't care if she left. She contemplated every day how she would meet her end. Would it be hanging, gun banging, pills from a friend? These dreams of suicide always ran through her mind, until one day she decided that this was the right time to take her life. Ready to grab a knife, ready to take a slice, whether it's wrong or right. Then she cried, oh why, as her eyes rolled in her head. She looked towards the sky, and that's when she said,
Lord, take my soul to keep, wash all my sins from me. Can't believe this is the end, I wanna live again. Lord, take my soul to keep, wash all my sins from me. Can't believe this is the end, I wanna live again.
let's meet Janae. Really, what can I say? She was the type to turn heads every time she walked your way. Body of a goddess, cutie pie face. A lot of girls envied and wanted to take her place, cause she was popular in high school, jocked by the fly dudes, real hard head. She said I only live by my rules. She played a bad game, living in that fast lane, without a care in the world until she crashed, man. She should've listened when they said slow down. She was smiling and walking with every dude in town. She was addicted to the dick, no way that she would quit, till somebody stopped and said, home girl, you looking sick. Being reckless all these years, lessons that she didn't hear. Wound up being salty tears when the doctor confirmed her fears. He said, miss, I'm sorry to say you contracted AIDS. She looked towards the sky, and this is what she said.
Lord, take my soul to keep, wash all my sins from me. Can't believe this is the end, I wanna live again. Lord, take my soul to keep, wash all my sins from me. Can't believe this is the end, I wanna live again.
By the look in the eyes, her innocence was pure. I thought she had all she wanted in this life and more, but she proved it wrong. Say that she had no friends, and she would do any and everything to fit in. That's when the end begins, fall into pure pressure. She'll try anything once, so long as you're a letter. It started off with elk, and then it moved to chronic. Next came the pills and heroin, I think she needs to vomit. Hiding in denial, struggling to get a fix. The pain hit her, then she yelled, I'm tired of this shit. Then she started shaking, fell right next to the bed, reaching for the needle. I think you know what she said.
Lord, take my soul